Mastering impromptu speech. Understand. Speak off the cuff. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that often pops up in English conversations. Speak off the cuff. Whether you're a beginner or advanced in English language learning, understanding these phrases can significantly improve your conversational skills. So, let's explore what it means to speak off the cuff, its origins, and how you can use it effectively in your daily conversations. The phrase, speak off the cuff, refers to speaking spontaneously, without any prior preparation or rehearsal. When someone speaks off the cuff, they are delivering their thoughts and words in the moment, often in response to a question or situation that arises unexpectedly. This type of speech is usually informal and can be seen in various settings, from casual conversations to impromptu speeches at events. Understanding the origin of this phrase adds an interesting layer to its meaning. The term, off the cuff, is believed to have originated from the early 20th century. Actors or speakers would jot down notes on the cuff of their shirt sleeves as a reminder of what to say next. This practice highlights the improvisational aspect of the phrase, emphasizing speaking without extensive preparation, relying on quick thinking and available notes. To grasp the concept better, let's look at some examples. During the meeting, the CEO had to speak off the cuff when asked about the future plans of the company. The best man forgot his speech at home and had to give a toast off the cuff at the wedding. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in professional and personal contexts, indicating flexibility and the ability to communicate effectively without preparation. Improving your ability to speak off the cuff can be a valuable skill. Here are a few tips. 1. Stay informed. The more you know about various topics, the easier it will be to speak spontaneously. 2. Practice active listening. This will help you respond more effectively in conversations. 3. Build your confidence. Practice speaking without preparation in less formal settings to build your confidence. Speaking off the cuff is an art that combines knowledge, spontaneity, and confidence. Whether it's during a surprise question in an interview or a sudden toast at a party, mastering this skill can make you a more adept and versatile communicator. We hope this video has shed light on what it means to speak off the cuff, and how you can incorporate this skill into your English-speaking arsenal. Keep practicing, and soon, speaking spontaneously will come naturally to you. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.